Hello again, everybody. My name is Matt Woods with Overlap, and I'm here to talk to you today for all you marketers out there about why you should become a developer and how to get started. A concrete game plan to make sure you can actually start building those websites, apps, projects, whatever you want to do, and give you a clear path forward. So let's talk about it. There's kind of a few lessons that I've learned over the past few months. And by the way, I by no means have this figured out or have it nailed down or know exactly the way to do things, but I'm figuring things out as I go, and I've learned a few things that I wish I would have known sooner so I could waste less time and start doing more of the stuff that I actually want to do. I'm going to talk to you today about clarifying your why. Here's all it is that you're going to be super overwhelmed and unmotivated if you're not careful and you just hop into the development world and you try and start randomly just picking and choosing at different courses. But if you can understand your number one goal, the end result, the thing you want to build, the reason why you're doing all this, it helps you stop wasting time on all the skills and projects and everything else that's going to not get you closer to your goal, and help you stay motivated by working on stuff that's going to give you quick wins and excite you and get you closer to that ultimate goal, which is amazing. That's exactly what we want. So I know for me, it was more of, I want to be in a job where I'm going to be super happy and fulfilled and get to practice, these things I'm passionate about in marketing and I'm good at, and these things in development that I get really excited about, I know is possible. And so breaking that down a little bit, I can kind of figure out, okay, let me think here. I know that I want to be doing things like building interactive marketing sites, and so I can figure out, okay, what are the skills and technologies and frameworks that would go into that. And I figure, okay, I need to know what Bootstrap is. I need to know HTML and CSS. I need to know jQuery. I need to look at React, things like that. I can also then go and figure out the other projects that I want to do. I also know I want to build like interactive lead gen tools and forms and things like that. I know I get inspired and excited when I see websites that have functionality like that. So I need to learn JavaScript. How can I set up a server on the back end? How can I make the website interactive on the front end and do things like interactive search and do things like great CSS animations and transitions? How can I learn that as well? And so I can start breaking those up, and rather than trying to do everything at once, I can break it up into these smaller side projects where I'm learning one skill at a time, and I keep that momentum and I keep quick wins rolling, which is huge.